take a look. This is what I made for my hitting training. It's like a small tire which I got it free, and I just made a stand and tied them together, so I can practice hitting with my boke. So I know sometimes you practice with Shinken or Iaido, that you always practice empty, and and check out the shape, how you swing, fine, but you need also practice to hit, to read the distance, and there's a couple of things. It's in Japanese, it's called atekan. Atekan is a sense of hitting. That's common. It's very common in Japanese term. The sense of hitting. It's not just applied to katana, but it's also applied to many things like karate or boxing. Sometimes you have to practice with hitting so you can understand the distance when it's hit, how you hold your body. The same thing. When you cut, stop, but you don't know how the feedback. You don't know where the distance. So practice, make this kind of thing, and improve your atekan. So sometimes you do this, but in fact the body is very tight. So like if you just do the battle with just hand, it's gonna be just like this. It's weak, no matter what. So that's why I said use your body. That's body, not hand. So that's what I always say, why you have to use your body instead of your hand. So this is kind of nice tool. Took me 2 days to make this. Actually, I completed this part in 1 day, but I didn't have a tool to make a hole in tire, so I had to go back to my home and get another tool to make a hole in tire. So screw it. So it took me 2 days, and I pretty much like it. So get this. You don't have to you don't have to make a stand if you have a outside, or if you have a garden, get tire and just hang it on a tree, and you can just practice hitting. So, but if you hang it there, it might swing around. It might be good or not. I have another spare tire, so I might, maybe put it on a tree, or maybe I put the katana here. Make a small one to make it more like kote. So I can just practice cutting kote and hit. So just, this is good for your practice. This is Bokto and this is practice saya. I need to put the tsuba here. Okay.